Alright, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's bright and early. It's December 5th. We're headed to Augusta for the Toys for Tots show that was thrown by Mercs and Never Satisfied Bills. So yes sir, y'all stay tuned. Gotta go get the truck washed and bye-bye. Get up with the guys, so y'all stay tuned. Bow, some of the bitch. Yes sir, pick it up, Oos. What up, Oos?
What you doing?
Yes sir. So we out here at Elite Wheel and Tire in Morrow, Georgia, picking up some wheels from Merc that was donated to give away to the raffle. So yes sir, waiting on my boy Justin. We're gonna load him up. I'm about to put up my flag. Yep. Yes sir, with the gang. What's going on? So we are at Southern Tire getting my ball joints greased up. We got the gang across the street meeting up before we head out. Yes sir, my boy's gonna get me right. Wow. Gang in that bitch.
I should go to Burger King right
That's what I plan on doing. Yes sir, look at them cleaning up and shit. Yes sir. Looking good, everybody looking good. Alright, so here we got Charlie representing Street Queens from Albany, Georgia. Papa Smurf right here, Kickback's on. Yes sir, coming together last minute before the show. Looking good. Then we got Amer, which is his wife. Ooh, we kill. Bye-bye. You know, Southern Bred Ginger. My boy Drew. Dallas, under construction. HP rolling. Yes sir. It's Southside Abbey. Yeah. Then we got that Chicano. This is Justin with the gang. Myself. My boy. Yeah. Bow! Look at that. Damn, look at that shit. Boy, that shit clean as hell.
The lift kit's on the way.
Lift kit's on the way. Ooh, y'all check this. Nephew. He still sleep. No, he ain't. Yeah, we taking over to Walmart. What up, bro? Hit that. Ooh. Oh, we looking good out here. Wow. It's a light show. So we out here, got some news. We definitely put somebody new into the group. With the gang and kicking back about some, yes sir. Okay, I lost my train of thought. Y'all made me nervous.
Hey, Chris.
So I don't know when this video is going online, but it might be a month or two.
When any other videos going online?
Yes sir, yes sir. We are out here. It's pretty lit. Looks good.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Nephew
sir.
calling. So this is Neil, the newest member. We gotta get him a decal. I'm kind of short. It is a 2019 or 20? It's a 2020 Silverado High Country. Ooh, it's a rough country lift. These are one-off TIS wheels. The only person in the country that's running them. But they are about to start mass producing them. Give y'all a better look. Bow bow. Forwards. Got the amp steps. Yeah. So we looking good out here. This is the standard. Neil, what else you got done to the truck?
I ain't really did too much there, man. I still got, I'm waiting on the cold air intake to come back in.
Okay.
And I'm waiting on the rock lights to come back in the Rhino hitch.
Rhino heads.
And I got the bed liner.
Shout out to Mr. Chris Pandemic Silverado. If y'all know who he is, go follow him. Yeah. This is daylight.
There you go. Oh, that thing just came in like that, bro.
Alright, what's going on, y'all? So we are at Caffeine and Octane. It's a car meet or a car show. It's every first Sunday of every month in Atlanta. And it's only in the morning time. It's like from 7 or 8 to about 10 o'clock. But we out here, wow. He got a haircut so he can get on camera. Bright and early, that's my boy Bo Champ. His guys, not many made it. Got a lot of old schools, low riders over there. Yeah.
What's going on, YouTube? We're here at Perimeter Mall at the truck show. What's this? The annual. What's this called? Caffeine and Octane. Hey man, what's going on, everybody? We're here at the Caffeine and Octane car show. We got plenty of cars out here, old and new. Got old ass titties and big titties. What's up, YouTube? Hit the like and subscribe button. This is Bam's channel. We are in the car right now. We've been here since 6 in the morning. This morning, Bam went the wrong way and almost killed us this morning. But we're still alive, as you can tell. Vlogging. There's a sea of people. It's getting real thick out here, man. Come and get your, we got free condoms in the back of the truck. Come pick up your Kickback Legend condoms. Be on the website soon. We just out here scoping for titties. Are y'all listening to me? No, we're not.
Yes, sir. Alright, so yesterday's show was alright. We went out there to Augusta, Forward Merc. Had a whole gang out there, Savage Bullies. If you don't know who they are, they're out of Columbus, Georgia. Street Queens out of Albany. It was cool. We had Southside Abby show up. Wow.
since 6 a.m. And then I was in the car. Yeah. Since 6 a.m. Turned out to be an exotic central over here.
So I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. Bow. Catch you on the next one. Some more bitch.